Hello friends, we are solving MCQs over differential equation. So let's continue with the examples. So example number 1. The integrating factor for the linear differential equation 1 plus x square dy by dx plus xy equal to 0 is what? Okay, so let's write down the equation first. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus x into y equal to 0. So clearly it is a linear differential equation. Okay, but you should know what is linear differential equation. Okay, once you understood what means linear differential equation, then the examples are very easy to solve over it. Okay, so we'll see the definition of the linear differential equation. Okay, so any linear differential equation, suppose I will take this one. Okay, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This is called linear differential equation in y. Okay, where this p and q are functions of x. Okay, there is one more linear differential equation. Okay, second one. Okay, like this, dx by dy plus p dash into x is equal to q dash, where p dash and q dash are functions of y alone. Okay, this is called linear differential equation in x. Okay, so we have two types. This is the first one. Okay, and this is the second one. Okay, if linear differential equation is of type 1, okay, then its solution will be given by y into integrating factor equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c, where the integrating factor will be e to the power integration p into dx. Okay, now in second case, if linear differential equation is in type 2, okay, then its solution will be x into integrating factor equal to integrating factor into q dash dy plus c, where this I integrating factor is e to the power integration p into dy. Okay, so the linear differential is in either y or it is in x, means it will be either like this or it will be either like this. Okay, this is linear differential equation in y and this is linear differential equation in x. If it is in the type 1, then this will be the solution. Okay, and this will be solution. If it is in the type 2, then this will be the solution. Okay, let's solve the example. We have the example 1 plus x square dy by dx, okay, plus xy equal to 0. You can clearly see this is in type 1. Okay, like this, dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. Okay, where p and q are functions of x. Okay, so let's convert our given differential equation into standard one. Okay, so we'll divide this whole equation by 1 plus x square. So what I will get, dy by dx plus x upon 1 plus x square into y equal to 0. So this is in standard form. Okay, where the value for p is x upon 1 plus x square and value for q is 0. Therefore its integrating factor will be e raised to integration p dx, that is equal to integration x upon 1 plus x square dx, which is equal to e raised to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square, which is e raised to log of 1 plus x square raised to half, which is 1 plus x square raised to half, and that is nothing but under root 1 plus x square. So this should be our integrating factor, and that is what our question is. Okay, what is our question? To find the integrating factor, and I think option C is right. We'll see the next example. The differential equation, we'll write the differential equation dy by dx plus 1 upon x into log x into y equal to 2 by x, okay, has integrating factor, means we need to find the integrating factor. Now again, if you'll observe, this is a linear differential equation of the type dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p is 1 upon x log x, okay. Therefore, as we solved in the previous example, its integrating factor will be e raised to integration p dx, which is e raised to integration, what is p? 1 upon x log x dx. So its integration will be e raised to log of log x, okay, and e raised to log of log x is nothing but log x. So I think option B is right. See the next example. The differential equation, let's write the differential equation d4y by dx raised to 4 equal to 1 upon third root of 1 plus d2y by dx square, to find the order and the degree of this differential equation. Okay, so as I explained in the previous video how to get the order and how to find the degree of the differential equation with definition. So what is order? Order is nothing but the highest order derivative involved in that particular differential equation, and degree is the power of that highest ordered derivative. But the most important thing is it should be free from radicals and fractions, means it should not contain the terms like this, okay, and like this, and also p by q form, okay. So it should be free from radicals and fraction. So we will try and convert this to the general form, okay. So what we will do, we will take this denominator term to the left side. So what will happen, this will be third root of 1 plus d2y by dx square into d4y by dx raised to 4 is equal to 1, okay. So this is third root of 1 plus d2y by dx square, this term. This means this will be d2y by dx square raised to 1 by 3 into d4y by dx raised to 4 is equal to 1, okay. So taking cube on both sides, so what will happen, 1 plus d2y by dx raised to 2 raised to 1, this will be d4y by dx raised to 4 raised to 3, 1 raised to 3, which is equal to 1. If you'll observe here, d4y by dx raised to 4 is the highest ordered derivative and its power is 3. So the differential equation has order 4 and degree 3. So option C is right answer. Next example. To find the integrating factor of the given differential equation, okay, to find the integrating factor of this given differential equation, okay, is equal to y square. Now clearly this is again the linear differential equation but of type 2, okay. So what is type 2? If it is like this, dx by dy plus p dash into x is equal to q dash, where p dash and q dash are functions of y, then its integrating factor will be e raised to integration p dash dy, which is e raised to, value for p dash is y into dy, which is e raised to integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2. If you will observe the answers, options, this is the right answer. Answer option A is the right answer. Next one, the general solution of this given differential equation with integrating factor. Okay, so let's write the example first. 1 plus x square dy by dx minus 2xy equal to 2x 1 plus x square, okay, with integrating factor. Now integrating factor is given 1 upon 1 plus x square, okay. So we need to find its general solution. So again, clearly this is linear differential equation in y. Okay, I explained this in the first video. What is the linear differential equation in y? If I write the standard form, it will be like this: dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. So let's convert this given differential equation into standard form. So we will divide this whole equation by 1 plus x square. So what we get? We get dy by dx minus 2x upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to 2x. 1 plus x square will get cancelled. Okay, so now this is in the standard form, okay, where value for p is what? Minus 2x upon 1 plus x square, and value for q is what? 2x. Okay, now this thing is already given. Integrating factor of this differential equation is already given. Okay, you just need to find out its solution. So if the differential equation is in type 1, this is type 1, then its solution will be y into integrating factor equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. So that is equal to integration. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 by 1 plus x square into q. What is q? Q is 2x dx plus c. Okay, so that is equal to y into I. I is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square equal to integration of this term will be log of 1 plus x square plus c. If you will observe the options, okay, so I think option C is the right answer. Okay, next question, the general solution of this differential equation. Let's write the differential equation: x dy by dx plus y equal to e raised to minus xy. Okay, now thing is, this x and y are not separate here. Okay, that is the problem. This x and y are not separate, so we cannot say it is a linear differential equation. So we need to apply a different method. So I will use the substitution method to convert this differential equation to the variable separable form. Okay, so what to substitute? I will substitute this x into y is equal to, suppose, u. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to x. Now y is a function of x. Okay, so what remains here? For this, u into v rule, this will be y plus x dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Okay, so we got the substitution for this term, and that substitution is du by dx. So let's substitute it here. Okay, so what we get? Du by dx is equal to e raised to minus u. Okay, so convert it to the variable separable form. So this will be e raised to u du equal to dx. Okay, so this is in variable separable form. Okay, so let's solve further. Once it is in variable separable form, what we do? We take integration on both sides. Okay, so this will be integration e raised to u du equal to integration dx plus c. Okay, integration of e raised to u is e raised to u equal to x plus c. So resubstitute the value for u. U is x into y. So this will be e raised to x into y equal to x plus c. If you will observe the options, option B is right answer. Okay, next example, the integrating factor of this differential equation. Let's write down the differential equation: dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to sine 2x. Okay, we need to find the integrating factor. So again, clearly this is a linear differential equation in y. Okay, where the value for p is cot x, value for q is sine 2x. Okay, therefore its integrating factor will be e raised to integration p dx, which is e raised to integration cot x dx. Therefore e raised to integration of cot x is log of sin x. So finally we get the answer sin x. So option A is the right answer. Okay, sin x is the answer. Next one, to find the integrating factor of the differential equation dx by dy minus 2 by y into x equal to sin x. Again, to get the integrating factor, first this is linear differential equation in x, in type 2. Okay, what is type 2? Dx by dy plus p dash into x is equal to q dash, where this p dash and q dash are functions of y. Okay, where the value for p dash is minus 2 by y, the value for q dash is sin x. Okay, so let's get the answer. Okay, therefore its integrating factor will be e raised to integration minus 2 by y dy. Okay, which is e raised to minus 2 log y. Okay, which is e raised to log of y raised to minus 2, which is y raised to minus 2, which is 1 by y square. So option A is the right answer. Let's see. Okay, to get the more videos like this, you need to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.